Bitch. Hey yo, I'm Mac. How my Chocoholics doing soon? It's me and I'm back with another mukbang. And we gonna hurry and get into this mukbang because I was what? Hungry today. Get into the bonnet first. Okay.
No ma'am.
When the bonnet come on, you know what kind of day it is. It's exactly. Today we have some green lip mussels, some eggs, and some lemon. We're gonna keep it real simple, real cute. Cause I'm hungry and I ain't feel like, look, I don't gotta explain. Let's just get into goddamn eating.
Okay.
Hey y'all though, I miss y'all though. You know, let's get into these mussels, okay? I got some Smackalicious sauce, extra onions, garlic, whatever. I got some eggs, got 2 eggs. Let's destroy one of these eggs real quick off of the break. Okay. Yes, put these onions on these eggs. I wanted to do potatoes. Why my camera flashing? Look, camera, don't start that shit. I bodied the egg. Damn it, I'm gonna have the hiccups now. Hold on. My bad, sorry. Why is my camera flashing like that? If this video comes out f***ed up, I'm gonna be pissed. Raggedy shit. Come on, let's just get into this. See this mussel? Let's eat that. Oh! I gotta tell y'all the story about these mussels. So you know, why is this stuck? Okay, so I clean out my mussels. Y'all know how I feel about mussels, but when I clean them out, I could just go in. You know, was cleaning these mussels out, and lo and behold. Guess what was in it? Guess what was in the last mussel I started to cook? Started to clean. A goddamn crab. Threw me all the fuck off. All off. You hear me? Threw me off. A crab. So I went over and cleaned these all over again. Come on, get it together, girl. But I'm spicy. Whoa. But after that, I don't think I'm gonna be eating a mussel from a restaurant again. Y'all ever seen people eat this little piece right there? How y'all get that shit off? Let's get into it. Lips still on the shell. I was gonna do a haunting mukbang and tell y'all another story, another one of my crazy haunted stories. But I just, you know, I started fixing them. I was like, I just really want to eat. I don't feel like doing all that editing shit. So the next mukbang, I will be telling y'all a haunting story. But I do want to give y'all a little update. Let me get these seeds out. On the phone call one, right? This is just a quick update. But if you watch, I'm not even going to tell y'all what happened. Only my real Chocoholics know what happened, because that means they watched the video. The first haunting video. I'll put the link up here. Okay? Or I might drop it in that description box so y'all could catch up. But for those who know what's up, the house phone did call me back. Only one time since I told y'all that story. The house phone called me back, but I had missed the call. Damn it. I didn't even see it until it was too late to answer. So hopefully it'll call back again soon. Because I think the consensus was, I mean, a lot of people said leave it alone. You know. But most of y'all want me to answer the phone. And since I don't, God damn, since I know y'all vested in it, I'm gonna go ahead and answer the phone. But if I end up dead, y'all know what happened. Oh, number of onions I just ate. I'm a real lazy hoe today. I put on lip gloss. And you know, I could have threw on a wig. A wig is the same thing as a bonnet. Same exact thing. This was small. That's how lazy I am. Ooh. How y'all enjoying y'all? Or how did you, depending on when this video goes out, enjoy Memorial Day weekend? I need to slow down. I don't know if y'all caught that, but I almost choked. I can't. Damn, all these damn seeds. I can't choke, y'all. I'm gonna take my time. Well, I'm recording this on Thursday. So Memorial Day weekend hasn't begun, but I don't got I don't got nothing planned. Nothing special. You know. I'm getting full. My God. Y'all, I be getting so full easy. Man. I don't even know if I want to eat that other egg. Oh. How?
I'm not gagging.
I be choking like all these mussels. Am I not cooking them right? Because they be chewy as hell. I should make these ASMR. For real. I really wanted to. And I be getting views off my ASMR. My green lip ASMR to views. Huh. No. That was just a little too dissected. No. I'm about to be dying, you know. That's the second video in a row I came in and had to talk about. I don't be knowing. You know. I ain't that type of person. I'm not no pop culture type person to come in here and talk about the goddamn Kardashians and talk about what happened on Love and Hip Hop and shit. Real Housewives. I don't do that. You know, the positive words and affirmations and shit. I don't do that either. I don't come in here promoting shit. You know, I just be ready to eat my food and talk my shit. I don't want this. I don't. Let me eat this last one. Get off this tizzy. All these goddamn seasoning be love. I love it. I love your sauce. It's so good. But goddamn, what are these little sticks in here? Cumin? What are these little goddamn sharp ass sticks to be sticking all up in my gums and stuff? That seasoning is not in my pantry. Let me just eat that. Oh yeah. Y'all see? If you're a true chocoholic, you know why I'm happy. I finished it. Yeah, I finished that. And y'all gonna get all this egg on my tongue. Anyway. Yeah, next time I come up in here, my black ass is gonna do a haunting story time for you hoes. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I got some stuff coming up. You know, I was just really sick, and I'm trying to slowly ease my way back into mukbanging. You know, that's why I haven't done, no red cups or my character mukbangs or my quarantine vacation mukbangs and stuff, because this takes a lot. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not 100%. I'm getting there, but I'm not 100% yet. So I'm just doing like little chill out mukbangs and stuff like that. But I will be I'm so ghetto. Like, I don't talk like that. Stuff like that. I don't be doing that. Child. Anyway, you get what I'm trying to say. But I'm full. If you're not, make sure you click on the 2 videos that are about to pop up in. Click on one of the 2 videos that are about to pop up over in this area right here in a few seconds and indulge in a I'm done.